Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
How to search for a granted patent. Now, if you are interested in searching for a granted patent, the first thing you will need is the patent number. Now, for this illustration, we have chosen the Bajaj patent number 195904, which was the patent that was contested in the dispute between Bajaj and TVS. Now, this was a patent infringement case which was filed before the Madras High Court, which pertained to an spark plug arrangement, twin spark plug arrangement for an internal combustion engine. Now, what is in front of you is the claim. But how did we get this claim, or where did we get this claim from? For that, we need to go through the exercise of first finding the patent number. You could get the patent information, say the patent number, from a public source like the Spicy IP, which is one of the sites that reports news and happenings about patent cases. Now here I get the patent number, Bajaj's patent number, from this post. And what I do, I search for it in the Patent Office website. Now, this is the Patent Office website. I just go to the search page and I type the patent number, and I come to this page where it gives me the application number and the details about the patent search. Now, if you need to know how this understands, you can just go to patent search here and you'll come to a generic page. We have already covered that. Now, when I click on further, it takes me to the details or the bibliographical details of the patent. Now, this is for an internal combustion engine, the filing details, the application number, which later on became a grant, the name of the inventor, the name of the owner, the patentee, and here you have the complete specification. This is the complete specification, and with the claims, and it also gives the status that it has been granted with this number. Now, one of the things that you will find interesting is that there is an IPC classification for this, and this is the F02P15/02. Now, if you search in the IPC website, this is a website that is managed by the World Intellectual Property Organization. Now, the search page looks like this. Now, you could search for the IPC code in this column on the left hand side and press the search button here, and it will take you to something like this. Now, here's the search term and here's the search button. Now, the particular code is here, what you can see here, F02P15/02, arrangement having two or more spark plugs. Now you can see that, this patent which we are just discussing comes under a particular classification in the IPC code, and this number pertains to arrangement of two or more spark plugs. Now, if you need to know what kind of claim this is, or if you need to understand what are the other claims pertaining to similar inventions, you are going to do a search based on this field, the field that is the IPC classification code. So most likely, if you do a search, you will get all the claims where there has been arrangement of a spark plug, two or more spark plugs have been claimed. So this is a way in which we understand. You can go back to the patent detail page where other things about the patents are there, the complete specification, which ends with the claim. Now, we have already discussed the claim in our earlier lecture. Here is the claim, that is the main claim for you, the main claim. Now, we have already discussed the earlier details in our lecture. The earlier lecture, you can see how we use this claim to understand the problem solution statement and the transition from the problem solution statement to the drafting of the preliminary claim.